Hi everyone, it's Sarah. I'm going to tell you a little story about your body. Now, it's a story that you already know, but you may have forgotten some of the parts. So if you can, stand up or sit up tall in your chair and do this with me. Your spine moves in 5 directions. It flexes, come back to neutral, and it extends. It side bends or it laterally flexes, and hopefully it can do this to both sides. Your spine rotates, and it rotates from your hips, your ribs, and your neck. Both directions, but it's pretty common to be able to turn one way more than the other. And the last way your spine moves is it extends, axial extension. Just get a little taller. Somehow we can all do that. Now, all movement originates from your pelvis. Your hips go forward on your legs, but they also go back on the legs. Nice. And then, as I said, the pelvis rotates. Okay. Your legs move in 6 directions. They go forward and they go back. And most of us need that back movement a little more. The legs go out and they go in, and the legs rotate out and in. Hopefully both legs move this way: forward, back, out, in, external rotation, internal rotation. Nice. And in all yoga poses, your arms are in one of 4 ways. They might be down, in which case your shoulders are down. Or they might be up, in which case the shoulders lift a little. The arms might be at 90 degrees relative to your torso. This is warrior 2, but also side plank. Or 90 degrees in front of your body. This is your plank. Sometimes our arms go back behind our body as well. So down, up, 90 degrees, which is also in front of you, or back. Now, hopefully, none of those movements hurt your body. And if they were all okay, then no yoga pose should hurt your body either. Because every yoga pose is a combination of all those different movements in one way or another. Yoga doesn't hurt you, you hurt you. Sometimes we move some way, or we do something a little too much, that causes pain. Or sometimes we do something a little too little, and that causes pain as well. Yoga is a practice that helps to bring your body back into balance. And when your body is in balance, you might be able to have your mind in balance as well. Want to learn more about specific yoga postures and all those movements and how they combine? Come to my foundational basics class on Mondays at noon, or I'm holding a 2-hour workshop at Barco's on Sunday, November 9th from 1 to 3. And we'll break down all the postures that you find in a general vinyasa class. My name's Sarah, and I hope to see you on the mat.